Hello and welcome back. My name is Bennett Long, and today we're going to be looking at some other features of Fusion 360. So first we're going to take a look at some features in this Modify tab. First is going to be chamfer. It's very similar to fillet. It's using the exact same way. You just click on edges, change the value, or drag in and out. And as you can see, it works very similar. It just creates flat edges instead of curved ones. Okay, next we're going to look at shell. Shell hollows out objects, and the side you select will be the side that has the opening. That's not a good example. The side that has the opening. So now if we look inside, we can see that it is hollow. And the value you select is the thickness of the walls of the object. So next we're going to be looking at scale. Scale is fairly simple. You have two types, uniform and non-uniform. Uniform just makes things bigger or smaller, depending on the scale factor right here. Non-uniform is very similar, but you can do it for each axis. Okay, next we're going to be looking at move/copy. Move/copy will be very useful to you, or maybe not, depending on what project you're using, but it lets you rotate objects, move objects up and down along a plane, all three planes, and just move them like that as opposed to the more free move that these handles give you. Okay, so now I'm going to make that smaller so we can show you some other things. So now we're going to be looking at the create tool. So I've already made a few sketches here that we're going to be using. First thing that we're going to look at is right here. It's called sweep. For sweep, you need two sketches. You need a profile, which is the profile of your object, the profile of what you will sweep. I can't explain it better than that. And then a path, which is the path your sweep will follow. My explanation might not be good, but you can see right in front of you. That is how it works. So there's different things you can do here. Some of them are more complicated than others, but one that's very simple is the twist angle. So if you want to make it twist, let's say 1,000 degrees between now and the end, now we can see we have something that looks a lot like a drill bit. So next we're going to be looking at revolve. Revolve is even simpler than sweep because sweep can be quite difficult because you have to line the path up perpendicular to the end. You have to line the profile up perpendicular to the end of the path if you want it to create the desired shape. Revolve is very easy. You just select the profile of the object you want to shape and then axis. We're going to select the vertical axis here and do join instead. And as you can tell, we have a circular rendition of that. We can do full 360, full to an object, so that would be like a face or a degree. As you can see, we can set how many degrees we want. And of course, like with any other create tool, we can do join, cut, intersect, and everything else.